Artoonza.
Today, we're going to draw a house on fire to learn something very important. Fire is powerful and can be dangerous. You might remember seeing pictures of the Los Angeles wildfires on TV. Those fires showed us how powerful fire can be. It can even destroy whole buildings. That's why it's so important to stay away from any source of fire and never play with matches or lighters. By learning about fire safety, we can keep ourselves and our families safe. No. I'm not telling, but it's totally worth the wait. Give us a big thumbs up. Remember, fire is powerful and extremely dangerous. Stay away from all sources of fire and never play with matches or lighters.
So cute.
Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Blue, yellow, purple? Hit that like button now. Color. Red. This is so amazing. Orange. Yellow. Blue. Give us your like. Remember, fire is powerful and extremely dangerous. Stay away from all sources of fire and never play with matches or lighters. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.